holidays. And today I really wanted to explore my channel house. So let's go through it. So here's a fun front entrance. I know it's a starter home, but it's really cool, trust me guys. So here's the beginning of it. You'll just sit down here, and like that's like right after my intro. I will say whatever I need to say, and yeah, and this is where my unicorn sits. So great. So, and also this is where like I just sit. I don't know, it's random. And I added these LED lights if you guys noticed. And here's my name. I wrote it with these hearts. It's really pretty. And here comes the next room. This is the grinding room. So this is like if my pet needs any tasks, but right now it doesn't, so it's fine. And yeah, this is just the grinding room. And this room, I just added a donut. It's plain and simple. You can even lay down here if you need a break. And by the way, guys, I made my unicorn rideable. And she's so cute. I love her. She has been here for a really long time. I think I got her in 2020. Oh no, I wasn't even playing by 2020, but like, I'm not sure, but pretty early. Maybe like my first year playing Adopt Me, but more towards the end. Oh, she's sleepy. Let her sleep. I'm gonna sleep with her. Well, guys, that's really the end of the tour, though. So, bye.